Guys, this is a latest update of my vegetable garden. See, today I have watered all of this. See, this is a radish. Already it has been grown. Okay, this is a carrot. Okay, if you see there this is a coriander, and this is a methi. Okay, around this border. Okay, you can see this is a ridge guard. This is a cucumber. These are the saplings. Yesterday I put. It will take time to be healthy. Okay, these are the beans. So you can see this is my backyard garden. Within some days it will be flourished with a green. Okay, all the vegetables will be in my garden. That is my target. Okay, see, I have watered it. Yes,